Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Gen Y adjustable 2-ball mount with the PintoLock. It has a 5-inch drop or 5-inch rise, and it's for 2-inch hitches, and it has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this is an adjustable ball mount that'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The solid shank portion right here is what will slide into your 2-inch hitch receiver on your vehicle. And then up front you'll have your choice of either a 2-inch diameter ball or the larger 2 5/16 diameter ball, which will provide a connection point for your trailer coupler. What's nice with this part is they actually include this PintoLock accessory. And this is used when it is paired with this larger 2 5/16 diameter ball. This will provide a nice connection point for a lunette ring coupler on your trailer. If you're not familiar with the lunette ring couplers, a lot of the heavy duty trailers, they use a large lunette ring, which is just a round ring that's on the front of the trailer for connection. And that ring will drop over the ball. And to keep it from coming off the ball, you can use this PintoLock, which they include. And the way you use that, let me just show you. We'll take our clip out, take our pin out, and then you can see we'll slide that back out of the way. And then what you'll do is go ahead and hook up to your lunette ring coupler. You'll just drop it over here. Once it's dropped over there, then what you'll do is go ahead and just slide this over the lunette ring itself. Once you get that slid over there, line your hole up, put your pin back through, go ahead and clip it in place, and just like that, it'll lock that plate over the lunette ring to keep it from coming detached. So it's a nice accessory to have. Now if you're not going to use it that much on a lunette ring coupler, what you can do, you can remove it totally if you want, but if you want to leave it handy, there's a second hole that you can just slide all the way back, put the pin through, and then it'll hold it in the closed position and out of the way, so then you can use this for a regular trailer coupler. You'll see on the front it has the 4 stacked 2-inch receivers that'll accept the included ball mount and this PintoLock accessory, as well as other hitch mounted accessories. Comes with the 2 5/8" diameter stainless steel pins and clips. Those are included to secure the ball mount to the shank and the PintoLock accessory to the shank. The neat thing I do want to mention is on these clips, they're really nice. Your normal clips and pins, they'll just be straight, and when you try to put them in, sometimes they're hard to get pushed in or hard to remove. But what these, it's pretty nice. They're a twist design. You can see one of the ends is bent, so to get it off, all you have to do is twist it and it comes right out, and then you can slide your pin out. When you go to install it, all you have to do is put it in there like that, push it, and then as you push it forward, it'll twist on and lock into place. So this clip is really nice to use because it's simple. You can see it'll give you adjustable height. This will let you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. Works well if you have a lifted truck. Basically, this ball mount here can be lowered or raised to match your application. Now, they give you a maximum drop. In other words, if you install it like this, and then you put your ball mount in the lowest receiver down here, that maximum drop will be 5 inches. If you flip this over 180 degrees and put it in the maximum rise position, and then put your ball mount in the highest receiving opening at the rise position, it'll get you a maximum rise of 5 inches. Just to show you how to adjust that, again, take your clip off, take your pin off, and then your ball mount, you can just slide it right out just like that. And then if you want to flip it over 180 degrees to use the smaller 2-inch ball, you can do that. Or you can also put it up or down in whatever receiver size you need for your application. Once you choose the right one, just line your hole up, put your pin all the way through, and then again use the twist clip to clip it right into place. You're ready to go. This is a heavy-duty steel construction. They do use a zinc primer, and then they coat it with a durable silver vein epoxy powder coat to resist corrosion. Now when you do install this into your hitch receiver, you can see the 2 hitch pin holes here. You do have to secure with either a hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock. Those are not included. We do sell those separately on our website. The size of these hitch pin holes is 5/8 inch. This is SAE J684 certified. It is made in the USA. Application again, fits 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receivers. Now the capacity on this will just depend on the size ball you use. So if you use the smaller 2-inch diameter ball, gross towing weight capacity is 12,000 pounds, maximum tongue weight of 1,500 pounds. If you switch it around and use the larger 2 5/16 ball, that'll get you a gross towing weight of 16,000 pounds, maximum tongue weight of 2,000 pounds. And then one last thing I do want to mention is this ball mount does have many different dimensions to it. So what I would recommend is for you to go to our product page for this part number, and we'll have this shank displayed, and it'll have all the dimensions put on it. So that way you can verify any dimension that may be needed for your application. But that should do it for the review on the Gen Y adjustable 2-ball mount with the PintoLock. Has a 5-inch drop or 5-inch rise for a 2-inch hitch, and has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.